in this problem we have to find which one among this will have the highest ionization potential, IP, right. So, what is ionization potential? The energy required to remove the electron from the valence shell, like from the gaseous state. Okay. Now, among this, like I have already told you some exceptions and all and rules. So, here the last electron is P1, here P3 and P2. I have already told you when the subshells, when they have half filled or fully filled, okay, then it is like very difficult to remove the electron because it will be highly stable. So, comparing all this, like this is half filled P3, so you know it is half filled. But you have one more thing also, example here 4s2 3d10 4p3. So, if you see here this also is half filled, but among this we have to find which one has the highest ionization potential. So, now this has already entered to the fourth shell, right. So, the size increases now. So, when the size increases the potential decreases, ionization potential. So, compared to these two, so this will be the right answer because this is the third subshell. So, this one will have the highest ionization potential.